If you're looking for a mid-size UTV with plenty of pushing, hauling, and towing capacity at an affordable price point, Honda just might have the model you're looking for. Hey everyone, I'm Jordan Waldschmidt, Chief Editor of Equipment World, and we're back with another test run, and this time it's all about the Honda Pioneer 700-4. Before we get started, don't forget to hit subscribe on this video, follow us on social media, or head on over to equipmentworld.com for the latest news on all things construction. All right, let's get into it. Honda revamped its Pioneer 700-4 for the 2026 model year, decking it out with new convenience features, more accessory options, and increased storage capacity. They offered me a demo unit to test out, but being over the winter and spring in Wisconsin, I had one stipulation. I needed a plow for clearing snow. The model I received is an upgraded trim level, outfitted with an extended coverage front bumper, 4,500-pound Warn winch, dual bed lights, and the Honda exclusive True Timber camo color scheme. We had the machine for about 6 months, using it primarily for snow plowing and general property maintenance. Occupying a middle ground in Honda's rec utility side-by-side lineup between the Pioneer 500 and 1000 platforms, the Pioneer 700-4 is built to carry loads and navigate tight spaces where crew cabs can't go. But it has a little secret. It's actually a 4-seater. The 1,000-pound capacity tilt-up cargo bed hides 2 rear seats, giving you a smaller overall footprint while maintaining similar hauling and towing specs to other mid-size machines. It also provides easy access to key maintenance points. The Pioneer 700 can haul up to 1,000 pounds and tow up to 1,500 pounds, enough to handle most jobs that typically require a tractor. I own a crew cab UTV, and I really came to appreciate the smaller footprint of this model. It takes up less space in the garage and doesn't require a 16-foot trailer to haul from place to place. You can even fit it in an 8-foot pickup bed. And if you've got 4 people you need to move, the cargo bed quickly converts to a second row of seating. Just open the rear door that's integrated into the side of the bed, flip up the seat, latch the lumbar support, connect the seat belt, and you're good to go. No tools are required, and the whole process takes around a minute. I'm 5'8", and I still comfortably fit into the back seat, but for anyone taller, it may be a bit of a squeeze. Save this spot for the kids or short trips rather than an all-day trail ride. When the seats are folded and you're ready to go back to work, the factory-installed cargo bed lighting helps riders find gear or tools in low light conditions. If you're planning on hauling both people and materials, you may want to opt for a bed liner to prevent debris from falling through the cracks and getting on the rear seats. The Pioneer 700-4 is powered by a 675cc fuel-injected engine. And unlike most UTVs on the market, Honda has equipped it with a 3-speed automatic transmission with a hydraulic torque converter rather than a continuous variable transmission. While CVTs are typically more fuel efficient than automatics, automatics are better suited for heavy loads and towing and are generally more robust and easier to repair. Operators can either let the automatic transmission shift for them or select the gear they want using the column-mounted paddle shifters. Switching from automatic to manual mode can be done on the fly for applications that require a specific amount of torque versus speed, such as hauling or navigating steep terrain. The Pioneer 700 has a top speed of around 45 miles per hour. Drive modes include 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, and 4-wheel drive with a diff lock. The rear axle on the machine is always locked, and because of that, I did notice it tore up our grass when making tight turns, even at low speeds. The trails in our area are closed this time of year, so unfortunately we were not able to push it to the max over long distances, and based on the type of work we were doing, we mostly left the machine in auto mode. The cab of the UTV is fairly basic in terms of seating and creature comforts, but it gets the job done and offers a lot more additional storage than previous models. On the next upgrade, I'd like to see Honda add headrests to the front seats and a park gear rather than a hand-operated park brake. The UTV also features electric power steering with torque assist, providing smooth steering with its brushless motor and return to center function. The tilting steering wheel and instrument pod also eases entry and exit into the vehicle. The LCD instrument screen displays the speedometer, tachometer, trip meter, hour meter, battery voltage, and more. Other upgrades on this 2026 model include new Kenda Mastodon all-terrain tires for more traction and puncture protection, new skid plates for better undercarriage protection, triple disc brakes with a scraper system for improved stopping power, an updated rollover protection system using thicker tubing in the B-pillar, more underdash storage and large cup holders, a new sealed USB-C port located in the glove box for device charging, new larger guards for additional front protection, a Honda branded winch with a 4,500 pound capacity, and two 12-volt accessory receptacles, one in the dash and one in the bed, capable of powering devices such as food warmers, coolers, or air compressors. As I mentioned, we also asked Honda to outfit this machine with a plow for snow removal. The operation is simple, but very effective. Using the UTV's winch, operators can raise or lower the blade from the cab. To change the blade's position, operators can push the angulation handle forward and manually move the blade. The 72-inch wide plow requires a mount kit and a push tube, and at 17 inches in height, it offered plenty of blade capacity for clearing the driveway and pushing back large piles. I have to say I was a little skeptical at how well a UTV could handle heavy snow compared to a heavier machine like a tractor, but I was pleasantly surprised with the results. Even when we received 10 to 12 inches of heavy, wet snow, it powered through it effortlessly, quickly clearing our long, steep driveway. And when you're ready to take the plow off for the season, removal is super quick and easy as well. Honda UTV owners also have a slew of customization options, allowing them to tailor their machines to specific tasks or terrain. The dashboard houses pre-wired switches and a wire harness to simplify installation of electronic accessories. Now, if I were outfitting this machine for my personal use, I would add the tip-out windshield and wiper kit, hard front doors, rear doors, a hard roof, a rear view mirror, and side mirrors. As we wrap things up, special thanks goes out to Honda for the loan and delivery of this machine. It proved to be extremely useful and capable for our property maintenance needs. I've always had Hondas or Toyotas as my daily driver because of their reliability and performance, and the same can be said about this machine. It offers plenty of power and it's a smooth automatic transmission. Plus, the hidden second row of seats is a great feature to have, proving you can blend utility and recreation at a value price. We hope this helps you in your business, and for more news on all things construction, the latest test runs, and the latest products, head on over to equipmentworld.com. We'll see you next time.